Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Healthy Green Kitchen. Today I am showing a recipe with paneer. It's called gravy paneer. It is very easy and delicious recipe with some simple ingredients. I am taking 300 gram of paneer cut into small pieces like ice cube. You can see how the paneer is very soft. So now I am taking 1 cups of potato which is cut into small pieces, and now I am taking 1 cups of watermelon seed and green chili paste, and this is very important for the gravy. Then I am taking the some ingredients which is cumin seed, salt, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon jeera powder, 2 bay leaves, 1 ginger, 3 to 4 green chilies, garam masalas, and some asafoetida which is melt in hot water, and the mustard oil, 1 cup of mustard oil, and also 1 cups of refined oil. Now let's start the cooking. Turn on the heat and take a kadhai which I am frying the paneer and potatoes. Now in this kadhai I am adding some refined oil into it. In this I am frying this paneer and potatoes. I am taking 1 cups of refined oil into the kadhai. Now I am adding some turmeric powder and some salt so that the paneer and potatoes are nicely golden. So when oil is comes to hot, then I am adding the paneer cubes. You see, I am adding the paneer cubes into the hot oil, and now I am frying the paneer. Actually the paneer is very soft, so when we fry the paneer, make sure that it's not breaks or mashed with our spatula, and you have to fry the paneer with a golden color both side so that the gravy is enter into it. Now I am frying the paneer. Once you keep in mind that when you fry the paneer, the heat should be in medium, not high, because heat burn the paneer when it is in high. So now it's take 2 to 3 minutes to fry the paneer. So the paneer is frying. Now I transfer the other side of the paneer so that the both side comes to fry with a nice and golden. You see how looks like the paneer. So here one side is frying. Now I am fry the another side. You see the golden color of one side. So you see how the paneer is looks like the golden color both side of the paneer. So now I am transfer the paneer into another bowl. Now all the paneer are is to be transferred into a bowl. So now this time I am frying the potatoes also in this oil. I am add the potatoes into the kadhai. in the same water, same oil. This is the potatoes. I am adding this into the oil. After adding the potatoes into the kadhai, I mix it with both sides and fry until it turns in golden color. After mix the potatoes with a spatula, I cover the lid. After 2 to 3 minutes, the potatoes are ready to be fried. It's, you see how the nice and golden color. I am transferring it to another bowl. So now this is the time for the gravy preparing. So I am using this some small amount of oil, frying oil, into the kadhai. I don't want to waste the oil, and into this I mix the another mustard oil. So, and this time I'm also adding the mustard oil, which is 1 cup around. When the oil turns too hot, then I am adding some masalas. First I am adding 2 bay leaves and some cumin seeds, and now I am adding the green chilies, and I covered the lid. Make sure when you add the green chilies into the hot oil, you should cover the lid until you gets burned. So you see how the oil are jumping. So I mix. Now I am adding the ginger paste, which is coarsely grounded, not fully paste, because this is very gives a very good smell. Now I am mix with spatula. This time I am adding some small amount of turmeric powder and salt. So I mix it properly, and make sure you mix the masalas all time, so that the masalas won't get burned. So now I add the main thing, which is the gravy. So when you add the gravy into the kadhai, you should mix properly with spatula, otherwise the gravy should burn. Now I am adding the water. I am adding the 3 cups of water. Make sure the water should be hot, so that the gravy will mix with spatula. Now adding the turmeric powder and give it a mix. When you preparing a gravy, one thing is comes into your mind, that your gravy should be thick. Now I am adding the potatoes and paneer. So you see how the paneer and potato looks like. I adding some water. So I am preparing for this gravy for 5 to 6 member. So you add the water as per your member in your family. After that I am adding some small amount of water and give it a mix. So it's cook 12 to 15 minutes until the gravy comes to boil. So I wait 10 to 15 minutes. You see now how the gravy is boiling. It's very thick. So if you want to another some water, you can add the water. Now this is the time for add salt. and give it a mix properly. Salt is adding in the last, otherwise your paneer and potatoes are very salty. So you see the how the color and the texture of the gravy. Now at this time I am adding the masalas, which is garam masalas. So the garam masalas is made into our home. It is homemade garam masalas. So mix the gravy properly. Now this time transfer it to another bowl. So you see how the gravy is. It looks like the restaurant gravy, and you see how the paneer and potatoes looks like, and the paneer is so soft, and see how the gravy is very thick. When it comes to cool, it will be more thick. Now so hope you enjoy my video. So do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.